is finally here, and it's time to put away the dark nail shades and step into the light. If you like to keep your nails freshly done and well manicured, we have the hottest nail trends everyone will be asking for at the salon. Number 1. Rainbow nails. Rainbow manicures have been popping up all over Instagram. The trend can be achieved in a variety of ways, with the most popular showcasing a different vibrant color on each nail. From rainbowish French manicures to more multicolored nudes, this trend is all about showcasing multiple color ranges on your nails and somehow managing to make it look chic and fashion forward. Number 2. Nude nails. Nude nails are always in season, but this year they're being upgraded with pops of glitter, graphics, and even ombre. So if you love nude hues but find yourself wanting to mix things up this season, there are plenty of ways of doing so. And for those of you who think nude hues are boring, you might want to think again. Number 3. Neon. At this point, it seems as if neon has pretty much taken over the spring scene in the form of fashion, makeup, and now even our nails. This bold, bright color could be the perfect way you can have a little bit of fun this season by popping the hue on your nails. Take the look to the office, to work, or to school without looking like a walking neon sign. Number 4. Graphic nails. Looking for more ways you can have a little fun on your nails or personalize them? Graphic designs and unique nail arts offer up a great way to be creative and think outside the box when it comes to your nail game. You can design the look yourself, grab ideas off of Pinterest, or even have your nail technician come up with something new and original. Number 5. Matte nails. A few years ago, matte nails took the world by storm, and this season the look is being upgraded by pairing it next to graphic nail designs, bold colors, and unique detailing. Matte hues offer up a fresh texture to mix in next to shiny finishes and can bring forth a well-rounded design and overall look to your manicure. Number 6. Pastels. On the flip side of neon and bold colors comes pastels. When you think of spring, pastels always comes to mind, and you can make the look trendier by rocking it in the form of the rainbow trend or by pairing it with ombre designs and mixing it in with a matte texture. Number 7. Floral details. Another springy trend that always reminds us of the season is florals. The look screams spring has sprung and offers up the ideal warm weather aesthetic. Go all out by placing florals on each one of your nail beds, or keep things a tad bit fresh by doing a floral graphic design, one on each nail, and adding bold colors to the next. Number 8. Bling. Another great way to mix in some dimension to your nails is through the use of bling. From rhinestones to crystals, you can have so much fun adding in the right touch of shimmer to really make your nails your hottest new wardrobe accessory. Number 9. Halo nails. We couldn't finish our list without including the look of halo nails. This high shine finish has been trending for the past few seasons, and it doesn't seem to be going anywhere anytime soon. Alright guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. What nail trends will you be rocking this season? Leave us your thoughts below and we'll check you in the next one.